पे ऐड कर को व्हाट्स दिस लैंग्वेज नेहा, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video, I'm gonna share my skincare routine with you. You're gonna see all the products that have incorporated into my skincare routine. You're gonna get the links. You're gonna see the proper application. But along with that, I'm gonna also do story time. So I thought I'd just do it because ऐसा simple सा skincare routine की video बनाना, सिंपल से ऐसे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट शो करना, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि इट्स नॉट फॉर द ओवरऑल ऑडियंस। सो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसे सिंपल सा स्किन केयर रूटीन बताना, प्रोडक्ट्स बताना इज ओनली फॉर द गर्ल्स। इट्स लाइक more of a girls content. So I thought let's just do a story time as well, and this video is not just about sharing my skincare routine or story time. It's also about sharing the lessons that I've learned from my past experiences. It's also about the life, because from last few days life is so up and down. Life is not going so well. Life taught me very strong lessons, and yeah, like, we think that we know what will happen next, but we don't know actually, because God always has his own plans. So yeah, लेट्स जस्ट डू इट एंड लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट डूइंग स्किन केयर। मैंने कुछ भी अप्लाई नहीं करा है फेस पे, बस फेस अपना वॉश करा है। सो बातें भी करेंगे एंड स्किन केयर रूटीन के बारे में भी थोड़ा बहुत हो जाएगा। सो करें वीडियो स्टार्ट। सो लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो। सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोना यूज दिस टोनी मोली का टोनर। इसको वैसे डैम्प फेस पे यूज करते हैं, बट मैंने अभी लाइक सूख गया है मेरा फेस, ड्राई हो गया फेस, तो अभी बार बार गीला करूंगी तो ऐसे कर लेते हैं इसको इसको अगर आप स्प्रे बॉटल में ऐड करके अप्लाई करोगे ना तो वो बेटर रहता है, बट मैं ऐसे ही अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ। यू जस्ट अप्लाई दिस लाइक इट्स लाइक दिस। ये ऐसे टोनर तो पता ही आपको ऐसे होता है। सो कमिंग बैक टू माई स्टोरी टाइम, let me just give you the review about this toner first. So it's very hydrating. Ever since I've started using this toner, my skin felt moisturized, hydrated, and I'm not lying. I told you that I have a dry sensitive skin, but after using this toner, my the texture of my skin changed a little bit. So that's what I have observed about this toner, that it gives that hydration to your skin. So from past 15 days, something very disheartening has happened in my life, and that made me anxious, because I was not able to talk, I was not able to film, I was not able to speak, and I think it would not be an appropriate thing to call it depression, that I was clinically diagnosed. I was not clinically diagnosed with depression, but I really felt like I was in depression, because I was very numb, and during this numb phase I developed a very bad habit. I started eating a lot of sugar, like a lot. I told you that I don't have a very sweet tooth, I don't like sweet things, but during this phase I used to eat uh, 20 chocolates in a day. 20 like a lot of calories. I think this was my body's way of coping up with the situation and coping up with the anxiety I've had. So these were the things that were happening in my life in past few days, and that's why you didn't see any, like, I was not consistent with my long format videos. I was just uploading the short format videos, and all the content was pre edited and pre made. I did not shoot for last 15 days. I am shooting this video after 15 to 20 days, and I don't know whether you'll be able to see this video after 20 days or 15 days, but थोड़े time में आ जाएगी. So yeah, now we're gonna do moisturizing, and I am using deconstruct का moisturizer plus ये सनस्क्रीन भी deconstruct के साथ में बता देती हूँ। सनस्क्रीन की तो अभी आप थोड़े टाइम में देख ही लोगे, इसकी एक लॉन्ग वीडियो आ जाएगी इसके ऊपर, डेडिकेटेड वीडियो। बट मॉइस्चराइजर की बात करें तो मॉइस्चराइजर स्पेसिफिकली फॉर इट्स ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर, मुझे यही चाहिए था, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी यूनिक थिंग that I have observed about my skin, that ever since I've started using Mucin और ये टोनी मोनिका टोनर, my dry skin has changed a little bit. इतनी ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं है अब मेरी स्किन, थोड़ी सी मॉइस्चराइजिंग सी हाइड्रेशन सी उसमें आ गई है, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स आई यूज्ड. सो दैट्स वाई मैंने ना फिर ये ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर मंगा लिया डीकंस्ट्रक्ट का. और क्योंकि अगर मेरी स्किन में ऑलरेडी मतलब मॉइस्चर है, हाइड्रेशन है, तो अगर मैं एक बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करूँगी तो आई विल start having pimples, breakouts. So that's why I went with these products. Okay, so now let's just apply this moisturizer. So coming back to my story time, so this is how I was doing in last few days. um, that's why you did not see any long format videos because I was not consistent. जिस बंदे से बोला ही नहीं जा रहा है वो कैसे शूट कर सकता है. सो मेरा होता है मैं कि सैटरडे संडे वीडियो शूट करती हूँ और फिर तभी वो अगले वीक पे वो रेडी रहती हैं वीडियोस. सो आई वॉज इन दैट फेज, सो आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग. सो ये तो हो गया कि कैसे कैसे चीज़ें जा रही थी, क्या क्या मुझे फील हुआ. जस्ट complete my moisturizer. So moisturizing is done. It has moisturized my face very well. Okay, so now we're gonna apply this deconstruct का sunscreen. So I am shooting 2 videos today. तो इसी वीडियो में मैं sunscreen को अप्लाई करती हूँ. And then I'll add this. So this is the consistency. So it has thick consistency. ऐसी consistency है इसकी, थोड़ी सी अच्छी सी consistency है. एंड रिव्यू तो आप एक डेडिकेटेड लॉन्ग वीडियो में देख लोगे. सो कमिंग बैक टू माय स्टोरी, life will give you lessons, life will shake you from your core, and it's okay to feel bad, it's okay to cry a little bit, it's okay to थोड़ा सा shaken up हो जाना a little bit, but and it's okay to numb, but don't let that shakiness or that numbness control your future. Put your head down and start working. You don't stop working, because if you will start giving up, if you will stop working, then you will regret later. I know I did a lot of bad things as well, but I did a very small thing which I am proud of today, and that is uh, be strong from outside, not showing up the emotions I've had. What I learned is that whenever you are in that situation where you think that you can't come out, you just keep working. Don't stop working, because if you'll stop working, if you'll start giving up, then you will regret later. For example, let me just take a very small example. Let's just not get deeply into this experience. So, YouTube is my passion, everyone knows. With my consistency, if you must have observed that I am very consistent, but in this situation I was not with my long format videos, but still I did something. I Even though it was very small, I posted short format videos. I did not shoot, I did not do anything, I was not able to speak, but still I uploaded short format videos. Even though I was breaking inside, I was not able to talk, I was not able to smile, still I uploaded short videos. So this is a very small example, and this is a thing that I have observed about myself during this time, that I don't give up, I don't give up easily, I keep working. Even when I felt like I will not be able to do it, I will not be able to wake up, still I worked. I work in corporate and I did my job, I did my 9 to 5 job with, like, at the time when I was breaking from inside, I was not able to speak a word. During that time I worked. So it's not I don't want to make it a whole thing कि मैंने बहुत बड़ा तीर मारा है या कुछ, but it's just that it's just to tell you that life will put you in very worst situations, but you need to uh, know that you do not give up. So this is the lip balm I'm using from Chemist at Play. Yeah. And this is not like I did not know these things earlier. ये कोई philosophy है नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. But now that I can relate to these things, so that's why I thought I'd just share my experience with all of you guys, so that थोड़ा सा हो फर्क भी पड़े, किसी को तो पड़ जाए, और अगर नहीं भी पड़ेगा तो it's my way, like I felt like sharing these things with all of you. So all I want to say is that whenever you feel bad, whenever you are very low in your life, you just put your head down and start working. Just don't stop working, because you will regret later, because life will put you in very gंदे circumstances when you'll feel like you can't do anything. उस टाइम पे जब आप कुछ करते हो ना, तो when you look back later, you will be very proud on yourself. So दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू. आई होप अच्छे से कन्वे कर पाई हूँ मैं मैसेज को. अगर नहीं भी कर पाई तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट वेदर किस तरह से करना चाहिए था मुझे ये. सो या गाइस, दैट्स इट अबाउट माय स्टोरी टाइम. या सो या मेन मोटिव यही था बोलने का, दैट वी कीप क्राइंग ओवर स्मॉल थिंग्स. या ये हो गया लाइफ में, मुझे ये चीज़ नहीं मिली, ये प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिली, ये चीज़ नहीं मिली, ये बंदा, वो ये तो बिल्कुल मैटर ही नहीं करता, ये बंदा बंदा कुछ भी, ये चीज़ें नहीं मिली. तो ये चीज़ें, these things are nothing. These things are nothing. So wrapping up this video with these two lines, you do not need to wait until you start feeling okay. You do not need to give up. You do not need to shaken up to the extent that you stop working. You keep working while you are broken inside, and that's when you win, and you will be very proud on yourself later when you look back. So yeah.